Hey YouTubers, I'm coming to you with a new invention. This is called milk crate plinker. And what it is you take a milk crate, you put a backing on it, and you can plink inside the house or outside. If you want to get creative like I did, then you go to the toy store, you pick up some of your favorite toys. This is a tough one right here. As it spins, you try to hit the target. These over here are just plain fun. This is the Safari. Dinosaur. Amusement park. Regular plinking. And the challenge. This one over here is for heavier pellet pistols, and this one goes outside. This is a weatherproof shooting gallery, and it even has the slingshot, which if you hit the middle right under the can will fly out. Just coming to you from Fort Lauderdale, and just wanted to show you something new and different. It's called milk crate plinker. Hope you like it.